Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Al-Hikmahatur Rahmadina Fitria from class PM 2023A with 3-digit last student ID number is 237. Here I will explain the answer to the midterm assessment of the Operation Research course. The first question is, a businessman named Irsyad ran a pastry business. In a week, he has a stock of 120 kg of wheat flour and 40 kg of butter. To produce 1 can of nastar cookies, 4 kg of wheat flour and 1 kg of butter are needed. Meanwhile, to produce 1 can of castengel cookies, 6 kg of wheat flour and 4 kg of butter are needed. Determine the maximum profit that Irsyad can get if each can of nastar cookies gives a profit of 40,000 rupiah and each can of castengel cookies gives a profit of 20,000 rupiah. A. Create a mathematical model. B. Find the profit using the graphic method. Answer to number 1. The first is to determine mathematical model of the case by suppose X equal to the number of can of nastar cookies produced by Irsyad and Y equal to the number of can of castengel cookies produced by Irsyad. An objective function is Z max equal to 40,000 X plus 20,000 Y. And the constraint function is for X plus 6Y less than equal to 120 and X plus 4Y less than equal to 40 with XY more than equal to 0. The second, to find the profit using the graphic methods. Sketch two graph by determining 2 points on each line. Line 1 is 4x plus 6y equal to 120 and line 2 x plus 4y equal to 40. And then determine of visible region is 0, 0. And this is graphic image of the two lines. And the point B is intersection of the first line and the second line. And the coordinate point B are 24, 4. And finally, determine of visible solution using the point A, point B, and point C. And conclusion, so in the case of maximization using a single solution, where Irsyad get a profit of 1.200.000 rupiah by only producing 30 nastar cookies. The second question is, using the Simplex method, determine the minimum value of G equal to 3x plus 5y plus 4z that satisfies the constraint 1, 2x plus 3y less than equal to 8, 2, 2y plus 5z more than equal to 10, 3, 3x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 15, with x, y, z more than equal to 0. Answer to number 2. Suppose is the objective function is G minimum equal to 3x plus 5y plus 4z, and the constraint function is 2x plus 3y less than equal to x and 2y plus 5z more than equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 15 with x, y, z more than equal to 0. And the standard form simplex G minimum equal to 3x plus 5y plus 4z plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus ma1 plus ma2 and 2x plus 3y plus s1 equal to x and 2y plus 5z minus s2 plus a1 equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y plus 4z plus a2 equal to 15 with x, y, z, s1, s2, a1, a2 more than equal to 0. The first determine the initial simplex table and then determine iteration 1 and then determine iteration 2. In this second iteration, since all of zg minus cg less than equal to 0, then the table are optimum. But there is non-base variable has value in zg minus cg equal to 0. Thus, this minimization case has multiple solutions. So, we can continue to the next iteration. And the last determine iteration 3. The conclusion is since all of zg minus cg less than equal to 0, the table are optimum. So, the minimization case has multiple solutions. There are x equal to 7 divided by 3, y equal to 0, and z equal to 2. Or x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z equal to 15 divided by 4 with minimum value is g minimum equal to 15. The third question is using the simplex method, determine the minimum value z equal to 18p plus 12q that satisfies the constraint 1. 3p plus 3q more than equal to 24. 2. 2p minus 4q equal to 8. 3. 2p minus q less than equal to 6 with pq more than equal to 0. The last answer to number 3. Suppose objective function is z minimum equal to 18p plus 12q and the constraint function is 3p plus 3q more than equal to 24 and 2p minus 4q equal to 8 and 2p minus q less than equal to 6 with pq more than equal to 0. And the standard form simplex is z minimum equal to 18p plus 12q plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus mi1 plus mi2 and 3p plus 3q minus s1 plus i1 equal to 24 and 2p minus 4q plus a2 equal to x, and 2p minus q plus s2 equal to 6 with p, q, s1, s2, a1, a2 more than equal to 0. Now first we can determine the initial simplex table and then determine iteration 1, and the last determine iteration 2. So conclusion is, since all of zg minus cg less than equal to 0, the table are optimum. But there is still an artificial variable in the base with value more than 0, namely a2 equal to 12. So the minimation case has no solution. That's all the explanation of the midterm assessment answer for me. If there are mistakes in word, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.